Hello. Do you know I am Philippines, not English? That's why I'm Bolol. Bolol means ba. Please do not notice. Look. Alam mo to, yung sinasabi ko ngayon. Sabihin niyo sa comments ngayon ha. Okay, now. What will we build today is Lego. Yeah, that's right. Just wait. Lego is an awesome build and cool designs too. You can try too. Just look. We have 3 pieces. What will we do here? Now, titignan natin these first two. We need to combine them. Press the and next is this. Put it in the back. Now, okay. Bye.